when it's hot in the summer and you don't feel like turning on the oven, this is an Italian-inspired rice salad, and you can use any kind of rice you want. You can use leftover rice from a restaurant. You can use white rice. You can use brown rice. You can use farro. I'm gonna use this ancient grains mix. It's already prepared. I'm just gonna throw this bag in the microwave for 3 minutes. Up here is just a white onion, and I just let it marinate in some red wine vinegar for a while. It just takes the bite out of it, and then this vinegar is gonna be the base for our dressing. This is a bag of our whole grain mix. We have drained can of chickpeas in the bowl. Red wine vinegar, onion mixture. Whole thing in the bowl. We have cucumbers in the bowl. Mozzarella in the bowl. Tomatoes. Banana peppers, or any kind of jardiniere in the bowl. I've got a whole bag of arugula. I'm gonna just chop it up a little bit in the bowl. See, the bowl's not too big now. We're gonna add some olive oil, garlic powder, white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use black pepper. We're gonna add some Italian seasoning. Almost forgot the salt. You can eat this as is. You could top this with grilled chicken. You could top it with grilled salmon or grilled shrimp. It's just a perfect green salad in a bowl. Didn't even have to turn the oven on.